Good morning, dear students. Here we are with the next important concept, that is issue and redemption of debenture. In the previous chapter, we have learnt about shares. Now we know a company has different sources to collect the money. Okay, last year also we have studied what are the different sources that a company has to collect the money. Whereas when as an individual, when we required money for our business, we usually go for a bank and take the loan. But in the case of companies, they have variety of sources to collect the money. That is on the basis of period. We know there are short-term loans, long-term loans, and a medium-term loan will be available for a company. Same way, on the basis of ownership, they have owners fund, borrowed funds. And in the terms of sources of generation, they can generate the income from internal sources as well as an external sources. Now, here, that means the company has a different sources. They can issue the shares, that is equity shares, preference shares. They can go with the debentures, bank loans. They have public deposits. There are variety of ways they have. Now, in this particular chapter, we will speak about the debentures. Other than shares, the company even collect money with the help of debentures. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತುಂಬ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮನೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ is for the working capital requirement. We know working capital requirement is nothing but day to day expenses ಅನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. First one. Second one is the fixed capital requirement. We know the company has to buy lands, furniture, machineries and variety of things. Okay, for that it requires huge amount and that money they have to collect for a longer period of time. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು huge amount ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Basically this is the two reasons where company requires money. Now, apart from shares, the company even can collect money with the help of debentures. Now, what do you mean by debenture? It is nothing but it is an acknowledgement of debt issued by a company. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು not for a short period of time but for a long period of time. Basically, when the amount collected with the help of debenture are considered as a long term debt. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 25 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ when a company collects money with the help of debenture, it is for a long period of time, maybe more than 10 years, 15 years or 20 years. Even though those people are considered as debenture holders anta heli kariteve. Now one more we have bond. Bond is similar to a debenture. Idu kuda loan. It's a long term debt and I mean similar to a debenture. ಸಾಲವನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನೇಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. We call it as a bond. There are two concepts. Basically, in this particular chapter, we will thoroughly study about the debenture. Now, what is the difference between a debenture and a share? It is very clear. First, we speak about on the basis of ownership. When we call them as an equity shareholder, we know equity shareholders are called as the owners of a company. And equity shareholders have a voting right. Whereas, debenture holders are not the owners of a company. They are just the investors. Okay, adike so first difference is based on the ownership. Equity shareholders, when we call it as an equity shareholder, they have a voting right. They are considered as the owners of a company and they do not have a fixed rate of returns. Whereas when we call it as a debenture holders, they are not the owners of a company. Instead they have a fixed returns. Okay, that is first part. Second part is we speak about the returns. ಶೇರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್? ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿ ಪೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್. There are different types of debentures we have. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. Under types of debenture, we have secured debenture, unsecured debenture, redeemable, irredeemable, specific coupon rate, zero coupon rate, registered debenture and bearer debentures are the different types of debenture. ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಪನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಕೂಪನ್ ರೇಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಕೂಪನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್. ಕೂಪನ್ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ 6% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ 6% ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಸೆ 3% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ saying that what is the returns for that particular, that is considered as a coupon rate debenture. One more is called as an zero coupon rate debenture. Those debenture which do not carry a specific rate of interest are called as a zero coupon. Directly they said the debentures. They do not have a 2%, 3%, 6%, 12%. Instead, they will say just debentures. Based on the returns they will get. Okay, this is nothing but the types of debenture. Coupon rate ಮತ್ತೆ zero coupon rate debenture may come for 1 mark. So, in general, debenture is nothing but it is an acknowledgement of debt issued by a company. That is considered